I'm going from this, oh my gosh, turn out the light, to this instead. Not so bad when you're sleeping. Welcome back to Country Maintenance. Got a wardrobe here. Needs a bit of light. You know, when you try to use it at nighttime or early in the morning, don't want to wake anyone up. You know, have to turn on this big light. But what I've got here is these Mr. Beams LED puck lights, and these have like an automatic sensor in it. So first off, I'm going to see how difficult this is to get open. And I'm trying to pick somewhere that makes sense. Got these adhesive pads it came with, that's cool. And there's the, okay. So, looks like it just pops out. And there's our batteries. A couple little screws for mounting. Just mount the plate if you want to. And then I got some Duracell Extra Life batteries. These pull open. Let's see. Got pliers here. Peel. Nothing to pull at, peel. That's a little odd. Pliers again. There we go. Alright. Let's see how these lights are. So this has a motion sensor, and it turns on for 20 seconds and then it turns off. So I think it should work. Yeah, pretty good for this. So these I can put one like that, and I can put one inside the top, and then I'll turn off the light and we'll see how well this works out. So let me get this other one going. Good. There we go. Save the screws. Okay, I just turned off. So we'll see how that's going to work out or not. Time will tell. Here's the second one. And the question is, will I need two of them or one? This would go right here, something like that. I think that's going to be good. The light, take a look. There we go. Oh, it's perfect. And I think just one light will be enough. You know, it's just enough to find what I need at night, or I could do one on each side, like this in the front. Something like that. So, it's just a matter of, okay, this one just went out, but it looks like just a little tap next to it, and it's back on. So that's good. Something like that. Let's close it. I'm going to leave them both down here and we'll see how it just turns off on its own. It says 20 seconds. Of course I want to make sure it's not going to turn on its own. You know. There it goes. Okay, moving around out here. Nothing, 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 nothing. But if we open the door, there we go. Yay. And they're definitely going to need to go up above. So, and at least one of them. So I'll take this one out. Let's see, I'll put that there for now. And really, one of them's enough, I think, for me. And I would just wave my hand under this spot, maybe. That's that. Alright, but it's one way to make it work out for something like this, and I want to wake anybody up. You know, turn out the light. Alright, it's good to go. Okay, and mounting it is really easy. It's got an adhesive pad and one screw that goes in the center. Came with the screws and the mounting deal, so the sticker will just go right in the center there, and the mounting screw right through the center. And then when you want to change the battery, you can just grab it and pull it down. It's nice and easy. Nice deal. I'll put a link for these. Try to find a link for the wardrobe. Put a link in there, and a link for these deals, and a link for the batteries, and all in the description below. Hope that's helpful. Okay, for me, I'm just going to mount these two of them, one on each side like this. That way I get a good view of everything. And just the one little screw in the center. Not too complicated theory. Speed it up with a drill. Nice and easy. Flip it in. There we go. That'll work out nice. Next. Get a nice even deal. As you can see, I went without the adhesive pad. That way I can just move it easier. The screw itself is strong enough, and I didn't want to leave the adhesive pad residue behind. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. That's what worked out good for me. There we go. Okay. And it'll close in 20 seconds, and then it'll turn on when we open it. Nice and easy. Again, links are in the description below. Hopefully, for the lights, the wardrobe. Yeah, should work out good. Let's wait for it to turn off here. Alright, it's off. And I'll test it out here to show you. Nice and dark. So, now when someone's sleeping, nice. Not so intrusive as the light's somewhat indirect, and I can finally close. And it's just a nice deal. Alright. Nice solution for that. And it won't turn on its own until you actually open it and actually go to find something. It's great. Nice. and batteries should last a good amount of time. It's only 20 seconds each time. So, good to go. Okay, we're going from this, oh my gosh, turn out the light, to this instead. Not so bad when you're sleeping.